Okay, people. Oh, here it is. Hooked up the gas pedal, 2 return springs, one pulling out, one pulling down, the governor linkage, gas pedal. I'll leave you here so you can see it move. Maybe. Let's just use your foot. In my stack. And it's like 4 feet, maybe 5 feet tall. Tires, this mesh tire, one of them's got a big hole in it. And this is the one I bought, used, and this is the one that came on it. No hitch, busted out tail, I could have flipped it over. Painted black and yellow, extended shifter, handlebars, a tack, a gas pedal. Look at this, look at this mouse nest of one. Sorry. And my gas pedal, nice. Starter. The hood doesn't open very far because they got that bracket there, making it nice and sturdy. My headlights. That's about it. Well, I'll get you a riding video in a second. Here we go! And no, the differential is not locked. Monster though.